in this lesson, we'll add fasteners to the base. First, we need to insert screws into these holes. To avoid inserting the screws one by one, we'll use the Array by Instance command. We'll use the array of holes in the bronze plate as our instance pattern. To do this, we need to insert one screw into the first hole. Let's identify which hole is first. Go to the design history in the tree. Open the first bronze plate. Select the hole to highlight it in the graphic area, this one. Start the Add a Component from a File command. Select the Standard Parts folder and find a screw with a 5 mm diameter and 12 mm length. Click Open. Select the Biomatings method. Click Coincidence and select the conical face of the screw head and the conical face of the hole. Confirm the coincidence creation and insertion of the screw. The system offers to add another screw, but we need to stop the command here. Start the Array by Instance command. Select the inserted screw. Activate the Master Array field, show the additional tree, and select the array. You can see the preview. If you're satisfied with it, confirm. Stop the command. Let's repeat the process for the second plane. You may pause this video here and try to add the remaining screws yourself, and then restart the video to ensure that you have done everything correctly. Let's find the first hole for the second plane. Add the same screw. Switch to Biomatings. Select the conical faces. Click Coincidence. Confirm and stop the command. Start the Array by Instance command. Select the screw. Activate the Master Array field. Select the array in the additional tree. Check the preview. If you're satisfied with it, confirm and stop the command. The base subassembly is ready to be inserted into the vise assembly. Don't forget to save your work.